friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. And in today's video, I got like $12 moneymaker going, but there were some hiccups, so please watch this video. If you could take a quick second and like this video, it would really help me out, helps out the channel, and it really helps to get this video out. If you could just take one quick second and like this video, I would be forever grateful. Okay, so the first problem that I had in the store today were register rewards were not printing. We're not printing, so this is really aggravating, especially if you're at a less than friendly store where they will not work with you with register rewards not printing. Yeah, I might wait till Monday to go shopping. This booster that a lot of us received, it expires, I believe, on Tuesday, so you have a couple days to use it. It is of a one-time use, and just to let you know, I did get a triple stack working for me today. I got some beauty stuff and some other items, but it did, in fact, work. Register rewards not printing, but the stacking did work. Now, if you have an absolute itch to get out to the store, we're going to talk about a couple of deals. The first one is we're going to go to the cooler and look for the Oscar Mayer bacon priced at 2 for $8. Over on IBOTTA, we have a $2 rebate back for each pack of bacon, making it super cheap, especially for bacon. What I did, guys, was I also grabbed 3 of the complete home bags that are on a buy one, get 2 for free promotion this week. So just to show you, I have 3 complete home and then 2 Oscar Mayer bacons. So the grand total for my basket was $10.79. I utilized $10 in Walgreens cash, paid 79 cents, photographed my receipt to IBOTTA for that $4 back, and I think this is a super smart basket. If you think about it, you're getting your bacon for $2 a pack. That is an unheard of price right now. One thing that we were kind of speculating on was the cost of eggs on a BOGO 50% off, like start the car and get your eggs over at Walgreens. $5.49. I'm not sure in other states if it's going to be a lot cheaper, but this is kind of expensive. If you think about it, I think even Aldi is cheaper at $2, and then other stores have dropped to $2. So you might want to check out like your local grocery store or even like an Aldi, because this is kind of rich at $5.49. We're still on the topic of rich. The Head and Shoulders, they went with the cheaper one, not Supreme, for $6. Unfortunately, the IBOTTA rebate that I had in the Friday video is for Supreme only. I think there's a 50-cent rebate for these cheaper ones, but just be mindful of that. Of course, we need to see the fine print on the Sunday flyer and the digital coupons to line up deals perfectly, but I just wanted to point that out. Now, I was tiptoeing through a clearance section on Saturday and found these Mucinex for $2.29. Original price point is $21.99. IBOTTA is giving back $2 and coupons.com is giving back $2. So it makes it free plus a $1.71 moneymaker. However, if you look at the IBOTTA rebate, guys, it's up to 5 times. I got $10 back because I grabbed 5 of them. They had a very long expiry date, and I like pill form for any sort of cold or flu. So I grabbed a bunch. So just keep that in mind if you wanted to grab more than one with IBOTTA. But anyhow, if you just wanted to grab one, it's $2.29. $2 back from IBOTTA and $2 back from coupons.com, making it free plus a $1.71 moneymaker. However, if you wanted to grab 5 of them, it'd be like $11 and some change, $10 back from IBOTTA, $2 back from coupons.com. I think it's free and like a 55-cent moneymaker. Another deal of the week that I think is absolutely fantastic is on these Dawns for $1.24. The register reward didn't print for me, but maybe it's printing for you. Let me know in the comments. But grabbing 2 of these, it's $2.48. Getting back that $1 register reward, it drops it down to $1.48 for the 2 or 74 cents each. Again, it didn't print for me, so if you wanted to wait till Monday for this one, maybe that's the smarter way to shop. Just to explain this goofy one, make 9 purchases to get $20. This is valid all month long. So if you make 9 separate transactions over 9 days, I don't believe you can do every single one in one day, you're going to be given back that $20. Most of us don't achieve that because we roll and use our register rewards and Walgreens cash. But just to explain that for those that are really confused. Have these new Mother's Day Hallmark coupons. Hopefully you receive them like I did for $3 off. If you're a curbside shopper, definitely load them. And then we have this Mr. Clean for $3.25. Magic erasers are included in this and they're very cheap, so load this one. Hey guys, so I had 1 paper booster and 2 digitals, a 10 back when you spend 30 and a 7 back when you spend 25 in beauty, plus the $9 paper one when you spend 40. So my basket was close to 50 because I was using manufacturer register rewards and some other magic. But yeah, this is kind of one that's all over the place. So definitely double, triple check your mathematics on your phone at the till. Ask for price checks just so you do not mess this one up because it is a bit more for advanced shoppers. So I grabbed 4 of the P&G products, 2 Dawn, and then $25 of makeup. First item that I grabbed was the Rimmel eye makeup remover, and this rang up for I think a little bit more at checkout, like 10 or 20 cents more. One of these lip balms as well, I think it was $4.99 for them. It's not a lip balm, but like a lip gloss or whatever. And then these bronzers for $5.99. I grabbed one of them. One of my digital coupons also did not come off, just to note that. But this one did come off, the $2 for the eye, lip, face product. And then also another $2 one that came off for me was for the eye product. I guess for the makeup remover. Ugh, I hate when that happens. Over on IBOTTA, we have a $2 rebate back for that face, the lip, and then the eye cosmetic. So I did get my $6 back. That did work. I also grabbed 2 of the L'Oreal lipsticks on a buy one, get one 50% off. Even clearance was bringing up BOGO 50% off. The $2 IVC did in fact attach for me, along with the 5 off 2. And I'll let you know that I tried to scan the barcodes of a lot of this clearance makeup, and it was coming up with this thing saying like item not in product or item not in store or something like that, or some sort of error message. So definitely don't be shy to bring this up to the till and ask for a price check, just to double, triple check pricing costs, because we're using an IVC with a BOGO 50% off. And if you're not to that $25 mark, this can be all for nothing. So your math has to be mathing 100%. Math was off with the BOGO 50% off for the L'Oreal, so I went back and got one of these little quads. It was like $3 and some change, and then we had a $1.25 digital coupon that did attach. So I was just under $25, like 27, and then 25 after this. But I can't stress it enough, guys, especially with IVCs for this sort of basket. Double, triple check the math. Can't stress it enough. Now, this morning we got digital coupons for a bunch of different Tide products, including the pods, the liquid, the different Bounce products, and the different Downy products. So load the $4 digital coupons. So I grabbed an assortment, guys, just like one of each product because of the digital coupons. And this is what I grabbed: a Bounce, dryer sheet, a Tide pod, the Downy Calm, and then the Tide liquid. Then I had these dollar digital coupons loaded. And then I also grabbed 2 of these because I wanted to use 2 manufacturer register rewards to get my basket down a little bit so I wasn't paying so much out of pocket. Now, see that $5, it says manufacturer, and then the $4 manufacturer. So that's $9 in register rewards that I threw in. The 2 Dawns, I had no digital coupons, but every other item I had in my transaction had coupons. So that's why I needed these 2 Dawns. So the basket, you might be like, why'd you pay so much? That's why. So 2 of the L'Oreal lips on a BOGO 50% off for $8.23. Subtracting the IVC right there, it's $6.23. I had $15.57 in Rimmel, and even though some items were pictured at a cost, they were ringing up a little bit more at the till. Inflation, go figure, but double, triple check your math specifically. And then 1 Wet n Wild for $3.29. So my new total after that 2 off 2 IVC for the L'Oreal was $25.09. So I'm really hitting it by a hair. Spend 25, get back 7. Make sure you don't mess up that math. 4 P&G products for $21.96, and then 2 Dawns for $2.48 for a grand total of $49.53. I got the cashier to scan my booster of 9 back when you spend 40. And then I had the electronic booster for beauty of spend 25, get back 7. And then a 10 back when you spend 30. And then I had the 2 register rewards, the manufacturer that the Dawn picked up, plus $14.25 in digitals that melted off for me. So I was very grateful for that. So, guys, after everything came off with my debit card, I paid $26.28. As I have 3 different boosters in the mix, I got $26 back in Walgreens cash for the boosters, $6 back in register rewards, the very nice manager gave me the credit for $6 and then $6 back from IBOTTA. So it made this free plus an $11.72 moneymaker. Do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash or it will mess everything up. And this is just one of those deals. And let me stress this for the millionth time. If you're using IVC with that L'Oreal on clearance makeup, double, triple check the math that you're not off by a cent. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.